guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha and I have another makeup tutorial for you guys, and I have another challenge for you guys. So recently YouTubers have been doing this thing where they try to copy or try to follow another makeup artist or another YouTuber's makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna do the same. So I'm gonna do one of my favorite Indian YouTubers, that is Deepica Mutyala. So she has this channel which is incredible, and she is like really I love her. I connect with her so much, and because I have a similar skin tone like hers, and I have the problems that I have is like hyperpigmentation and everything that she also has. So it's kind of, you know, I have a lot of common things with her, and I love her because she's so cool, she's so real, and she's so fun. You guys should go check her channel out. She's a big YouTuber, not like me. I'm a small YouTuber, but still I love her. So I'm just gonna recreate what she did, and she's not a makeup artist, but she's a girl who likes makeup, and I'm also like that. I'm not a makeup artist. I love doing makeup. I just share it with you guys because it's really easy for you guys who are beginners in makeup field to understand what I'm doing and follow what I'm doing. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna follow what Deepica did in one of her makeup tutorials, and she's so much fun, you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, she's gonna use this Loreal primer, which I don't have. So this is basically how you follow a makeup tutorial. You don't have to use the exact same products, but you can use similar products which does the same thing. So I'm gonna use this primer today, which is from NELF, N-E-L-F HD High Definition Hydrating Primer. So this is the stuff. So why I like Deepica so much is because she has the same, almost same skin tone as mine. So that's what you have to do when you find out a YouTuber. You just have to see if they have similar skin tone like yours or similar skin type as yours, so that you can follow whatever she does. So Deepica is one of my favorite South Indian YouTubers, that is Indian YouTubers. Even though she's not based in India, she is from India. So basically she has all these international really good products. So I just have the products which are available in India, but I'm gonna try to get the same look that she created. So next thing that she's gonna do is color correct her face. So basically she is the one who invented the lipstick color correcting thing. That is, she uses the red lipstick or orange lipstick to color correct her face. From her I got the idea, and she had this amazing idea in the beginning itself. So she's gonna use this color correcting palette, but then I'm gonna use an orange lipstick. You can use any orange lipstick or even red lipstick, but then make sure that you don't apply too much. So I'm just gonna apply it on the areas where I have darkness, hyperpigmentation.
But what this does is even out the color of your skin, so when you do go over it with the foundation, hopefully you don't see that ashy grayness. Now that I have the color correcting on,
next she's gonna apply the foundation. I'm just gonna apply the Loreal Infallible 24 Hours foundation. So she's applying it with a brush, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna use this foundation brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna apply the foundation. So this foundation which I'm applying right now is a medium to buildable coverage. So what she has applied is a full coverage foundation. So I'm just gonna go again with a second layer to get the same look. So she is not putting dots like this. That's what I usually do. So she's just taking the foundation with the brush and just applying straight to the face. So I'm just gonna do the same. So yeah. So I'm just gonna take and apply it directly so that it's like full coverage. It's like a lot of product. And then she's using the beauty blender to blend the whole thing out. And then she's going again with another foundation stick. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer instead of that. So I'm just gonna go over and fill out the areas where I have dark pigmentation. Okay, and she's using the beauty blender to blend it out. This is so much fun, you guys. I am following a makeup tutorial step by step for the first time in my life, and I'm kind of loving it. So this is how you should follow a makeup tutorial. A lot of you guys used to ask me that, you know, when you guys try out my makeup tutorial, it's not looking the same. That is because you just, you know, you have to understand your skin tone and you have to use the products which matches with your skin tone. And you don't have to use the same exact things that I use. You just have to use similar things which suits your skin. You got the point. And then she's using the LA Pro concealer to contour her face. Thankfully, I have the same exact product with me, so I'm just gonna use that. This is a really good product. I love this product to contour because it's like super dark and super creamy, and you just have to apply it. So I'm just gonna draw the same pattern that she drew on her face. She used a lighter color Tarte concealer on her to highlight on the points where she has to highlight her face. So I'm just gonna use the same LA Pro concealer on a lighter shade. This shade is Cool Tan, and I'm gonna just highlight my face with it. Okay, so this is what she did. She highlighted her face here, 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 here. Oh god, okay. I hope this is gonna look like hers, man. Okay, I kinda understand why you guys complain that it doesn't look the same when you guys try it out, but yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna blend out the lighter shades first. Okay, so oh my god, I don't really use cream contouring on my face ever because I just use some bronzer and I just contour my face. But cream contouring is gonna last a very long time. And this is too much work for me. I don't really go for 2-3 layers like this, but yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm done with this, and now she's gonna bake her face with MAC Studio Fix powder, but then powder foundation basically. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation or compact or whatever. So now she's gonna use a kabuki brush to apply the powder on her face. Okay, now she's gonna use a bronzer, which she's gonna use the Victoria Beckham bronzer, but then definitely, obviously I don't have that. So I'm just gonna use the Sugar bronzer, which they launched recently, and I'm really loving it. It's the Contour De-Force mini bronzer in the shade 01 Taupe. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques contour brush. This is a blush brush, to be honest, and I'm just gonna contour my face. Usually I just go for this. So yeah. Now what she's gonna do is she's gonna use the NELF blush. So she's using this really dark purplish blush, which I have the same color, but I guess it's too purple, but then it's kind of same color. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, very little, so very little of it, and just gonna use it on my cheeks. I really don't use blush a lot, but then I really have to use blush because blush gives you like a really healthy blushy look. she's using the Jouer powder highlighter in the shade Topaz. If you have the same thing, just use that. I'm gonna use this Bodyshop highlighter, which I use all the time. She's using a fan brush to apply the highlighter. I'm just gonna use this fan brush from Vega. She says that the highlighter looks really good when you use it with a fan brush. So let's see. And it's according to the highlighter as well. This one is a very mild highlighter. It's not a bam highlighter. I'm kind of getting why she said so, because see the highlighter, oh my god, I usually use the blush brush to apply the highlighter, but when you use a fan brush you can actually see the difference. See, oh my god. And now she's doing her brows with the Benefit brows, but with the Benefit brow stick, and we are gonna use the Maybelline brow pencil. We are gonna use this Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. Using this spoolie to blend the eyebrows really well. So she is using the same blush that she used on her cheeks for the eyeshadow, but I have the exact same color on my Makeup Revolution Live on the Dance Floor guest list palette. So that is this color called Dark Corner, which is this color. As you can see, it's exactly the same color which she used. So I'm just gonna use the same thing on my lips. She's using a precision brush to apply this. So let's do the same thing. So what she's doing is she's applying the lid color first, and then she's going on to the crease color with a bronzer. So what I do is the exact opposite. I do the transition color first and with the fluffy side, and then do the lids. Now she's using a bronzer color which is similar to your skin tone but darker. That is this color. I'm gonna use this color for that, and so this shade is called Stop, and I'm just gonna use that shade to blend it out on the crease. And she is taking the same pink color which she used on her lips and using it under her eyes. Now she's using a really true black eyeliner, which is from Blush and Glow Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm gonna use the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal for that, and I'm gonna line my waterline. I don't look like her. Why? I don't know. I think she had more brighter under eye concealer. I guess that's the difference. I guess I'm not sure, but we are getting there. Let's see. Mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Falsie. Okay, now she's using the Loreal Infallible Matte Lip Paints in the shade Festival. So that is like a nude brownish color. And I'm gonna use something similar, which is the Nykaa, lipstick in the shade Coffee Mousse. So I'm just gonna apply that a little bit because this is like a little dark brown. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit and blend it out. I'm using this false lashes from Pack, which is in the shade, which is in the number Pack 213. So now I have the lashes on, and now what she's doing is she's taking the same pencil that she used and she's doing a little bit of touching here and there on the lash line. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I have to copy her hairstyle. She always rocks this slick back hairstyle, which I'm not sure that I can pull it off because she has a really small face and I have like this big round face. So I'm just gonna try it out and see. So So now I'm gonna do my hairstyle and see what it looks like. Okay, here you go. The bouncy hair, come back to me. Okay, I felt really not like myself when I did that. I actually do love the whole look. It's like a very glowy nude kind of look, but then it's like, you know, it's like proper full coverage makeup, and I'm kind of loving it. So I thought that I'll do this thing where I appreciate one of you guys who commented on my previous video and supported me. It's like saying thank you to you guys for supporting me so much and giving me so much love. So I'm just gonna take a comment which I really liked, and I'm just gonna say thank you to you guys. Okay, so this week's comment goes to Aparna K. Very pretty look, dear. Simple and awesome. That lipstick shade is really good. Thank you so much, Aparna. Thank you everybody who commented, but I cannot really read everything in this video. That's why. But yeah, I'm gonna do this every week. So I don't know, maybe next time it might be you. Anyways, thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll be posting videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.